What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over how I would learn CPA marketing. Basically, from my perspective now, being a super affiliate, how I would approach it. Because when I first started learning about it, I didn't really have the right mindset. So I know a lot of you guys probably are in that same boat. So with this video, I'm gonna basically give you like a bird's eye view on how you should learn it and just some helpful tips and tricks to make your journey go more smooth and you can get to the money faster. All right, so I'm gonna make this really simple by using visuals. I have some drawing tools here just to make this easier so you can understand even better, right? So let's just draw out some shapes really fast, and I'm gonna just break this all down for you. All right. So when it comes to CPA marketing, you know this so far. So you know you need an offer, all right, landing page, and then you know you need an ad, right? So when it comes to these three things, all you pretty much need to master and learn is like basically from these three pillars, right? So what do you possibly need to learn as far as offers? You need to understand niches slash verticals, is what they're called. And that's just basically categories. All right. So offer categories, niches, verticals. They can be called any of these three things. This is the first thing you need to understand, because if you can understand, all right, so what type of offers are out there, then from there you can start building upon that, right? You also need to learn about affiliate networks, right? Because these are where you're going to get your offers. So you'll need to learn more about what these companies do, how they run. I mean, you don't have to go too in depth, but you need to just understand like what they're looking for out of affiliates, and what type of offers that they have to offer and stuff like that. And then you can start to start your search and start applying to these networks, because that's the next step when you're learning from scratch and you're just getting started, is actually picking out some offers that you'll be interested in running, and then finding those networks that have those offers and applying to those networks and letting them know, hey, I'm interested in these offers. I want to run them doing, XYZ strategy. So that's what you want to do as far as affiliate networks. The next thing you'll need to understand when it comes to offers is things like basically types of traffic. So you need to learn what types of traffic, really. So let's just say traffic sources, because when it comes to these offers, some offers are only allowed on certain traffic sources. It may be say, hey, you can only run this on social. Hey, you can only get mobile traffic for this. Or hey, it'll be certain rules like no adult traffic and stuff like that. So you need to know what all these different traffic types are and the categories of those traffic sources. What are native ads? What are social ads? What are search ads? You start looking at that and getting familiar with the traffic sources and stuff like that. And now your awareness to the type to traffic has grown, and basically not only do you understand offers, but you understand traffic. So it makes sense all in all to want to actually run these offers and set them up, because the next step is, once you learn what traffic sources out there, you can start doing competitive intelligence, and then you can move on to landing page. So when it comes to landing pages and getting towards that, this is how I would gradually get to the action, because basically I'm trying to show you how to take action, how you should learn it, but in a way you can take action as you're learning it, right? You're picking out a niche, vertical, you're picking out what affiliate networks you want to run with. Now you're figuring out traffic sources. Now you're maybe on that traffic source, doing some competitive intelligence on your certain niche vertical category, and now you come across some landing pages. So you need to learn about landing pages and building pages. Now you don't have to be a whole web designer. People have there's tools out there that make this landing page building process very simple and easy, because now you can just drag and drop. There was a time you couldn't drag and drop, but now there is. All right. So just use drag and drop type of funnel landing page builders. All right. I like ClickFunnels. I always recommend ClickFunnels because that's all I use. They have everything that I need. But for other people out there, you ask, hey, can this work? Can that work? Yes. If you can drag and drop, you don't have to be an expert designer. You can change the text. You can change, the headlines. You can add, survey style questions. You can, do all the things you can do with ClickFunnels. If it's pretty much got the same features, then you pretty much can use it, right? So that'll be, yeah, just picking out landing page builder. And then you can do even stuff like, ClickFunnels. What is the other one? Builder all. What's some other ones? Lead pages. It's tons and tons of them out there that I've used before. You can even do your own site, WordPress. You can even host it through, say FileZilla and stuff like that, but that's getting way too technical. And this is a beginner video, and we just gonna keep all the beginner stuff on there. So you can do like a WordPress plugin to build pages and stuff like that. So this is basically some tips on a landing page builder. So really learning how to build pages is shouldn't even take that much time, because you should be able to just drag and drop your pages. You should just be able to drag and drop pages to build them. All right. So once you have a landing page and you did your competitive intelligence, you've seen what's working, you kind of built a page off of what you already see kind of running and working in the niche. Because this is how you learn, and you learn from, with CPA marketing, you learn from doing. You just need to just jump in and do it, because a lot of people want to know everything before they start just setting up stuff. But I'm trying to tell you, don't learn like that. Learn by actually doing it. Learn by setting it up. But everybody's just so stuck in the setup process where you just don't set nothing up. You just think, oh no, I need help. I need to go through something before I can even set up. Like, did you even try on your own first before you start watching YouTube videos and figuring out? You don't even know really where you stuck at and what you're struggling with, because you haven't even done anything. So jump into just first finding offered whatever niche vertical, getting with the affiliate networks that have those verticals. So if you already with a CPA network, there's literally no excuse, right? Picking out the traffic source, doing a competitive intelligence, building the landing page based off that, or swiping the landing page, however you want to do it. You can do it either type of way, but boom. Now we already at ad. These are just 3 components. All right. So I'm gonna move ad over here a little bit because it's getting a little tight. So with the ads, what you're gonna need to understand is basically metrics, right? So key metrics. Now it's time to learn what CPC is. Now it's time to learn what EPC is. You know what I'm saying? Click-through rates. So you got cost per click, earnings per click, click-through rate, things like this. What's an impression? You know what I'm saying? What's all these little different things that you probably never heard of these terms before. If you're not a marketer, now it's time to understand what these key metrics are and what they mean, so that once you start running these ads, you're pretty much understanding what everything means. So now you know how to turn your campaign profitable. You also need to learn things like tracking tools. So tracking, volume, VMOB. You want to learn about these things, because when it comes to your ad, this is the stuff that you're going to focus on when it comes to running ads, getting your statistics, and optimizing. These are the things you're going to need to know. You're going to need to know key metrics to watch out for. What metrics affect my profitability, right? And then how do you get those metrics? You get those metrics through not only your dashboard of your traffic source, but also through your tracking tools, because just dropping your affiliate links and straight into the traffic source without any tracking or anything like that, you're doing it wrong. So you want to make sure that you're always tracking everything so that you're keeping up with your statistics and you're not testing blindly. All right. So once you know a little bit more about volume and the key metrics, now you can get into things like understanding what split testing is. You can get into things like optimization, right? And these are pretty much the key terms that's going to be associated when it comes to running ads. All right, so split testing just being you testing out different offers, testing out different pages, testing out different ads. That's all split testing is seeing which parts of your campaign perform the best and testing them against each other to get to optimize for the best results. And that's all this is about, is creating a campaign and then maximizing it for max profits. All right, you want to create something and then make it better, and then make it better and make it better until it's doing what you want it to do, which is be profitable and make enough money for yourself so you can live the lifestyle you want to live. All right, this is the life of a CPA marketer: offers, landing pages, and ads. But if these three things you're not gonna take time to learn, you can see it's little, like, this is just a little sample of how I would learn it from scratch. But just knowing this stuff right here, you're on your way. You're ready to go. If you sit here and act like, no, I need more information in this. Well, no, I need to see you click over here and click over there first, and then I can press start campaign. Like, if you got a traffic source, if you're already on Bing Ads or Microsoft Ads, what they call it now. So if you on Microsoft, if you got a Microsoft Ads account, you got a landing page builder, you're inside a CPA network. Why aren't you getting any traffic today? Why aren't you getting conversions today? Why are you just still waiting around for something magically to happen for your campaign to be built? Why are you still magically waiting around like an offer just gonna fall out the sky and be like, oh, run this offer. Oh, that's the offer I should run. Just run an offer. Just run one. Why are you keep trying to cross your finger? Well, I don't want to run an offer. And I don't make no money. You so scared that if you set up an offer and it don't work, it's the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. At least you learned. At least you tested your strategies, right? At least you're taking action. That's what it's all about. Taking action and just doing something. You gonna spend $50 anyway. You gonna spend $100 anyway. Why not spend $20 on some ads today? Why not spend, even if it's $10? I don't care if it's $5 and you run it on zero part. Just do it. Just have something coming in. Just be testing. But if you're so scared about, oh, what if it don't work, and that's what got you paralyzed, then this is not the game for you, because sometimes things don't work. Like, it's just the reality. Sometimes stuff don't work. Sometimes it don't work, bro. Sometimes you gotta shut off a whole campaign and make a new one. So like, I don't know. I don't understand what the fear is around, this whole niche or whatever, but a lot of people have a lot of fears and hangups. But I'm giving you and breaking it down so simple, so where you can literally leave off this video, focus on just these things, and it's no reason why you shouldn't be running traffic, optimizing that traffic, understanding more about split. Like, you can go dive deep in any of these things. Like, I'm giving you everything you need to know. So that's all I got for this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button for me. Show this video some love. Go ahead and drop down a comment if you got any questions, or you feel you want to add to the video, because I know other affiliates and stuff watch my videos as well. Help the fellow newbies and beginners out with getting to that super affiliate status. All right. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'm gonna be dropping new content on this channel throughout the year. So if you want this value and you want to make money online, this is the channel to subscribe to. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.